So hi students, here we are with our next question. I found this to be a very interesting question, okay, though it involves a bit of calculation also, but see the type of question from sequence and series, okay. So I definitely take it as a question of 5 marks because the thought process which we put behind in solving this question and the amount of time we have to put in. Okay, so the relation we are given is in for a sequence a n plus 1, n plus 1th term is given by n minus 1th term divided by 1 plus n times n minus 1th term into nth term. Moreover, we are given that first term, so rather 0 term and first term a naught and a1 is 1. Then we have to find 2 into 10 is for 4 minus 1 upon a9 199 into a200 whatever it is. Now see, I thought a lot about it, but then I couldn't find a pattern, of course, okay. So what I finally thought, so why not let's start finding the values because we are given a naught a1, okay. So I thought let's put n is equal to 1 here. So what do we get? A2. Now what is A2? When you put 1 here, A naught over 1 plus 1 into A naught into A1. Put the value. 1 over 1 plus 1, which is half. A2. Now go for, so we need to go for few such values. So A3. So for that we need to replace n by 2. Now A3. So A3 when you replace n by 2, so it is A1 over 1 plus 2 times a1 into a2. We know all the values of course, so 1 over 1 plus 2 times 1 into 1 by 2, so this is again 1 by 2, a3 is again half. So that actually demotivated me a bit because I thought there is no such pattern, but then of course what the choice I had. So I will accept here, I didn't have many choices here, so I thought to move ahead, a4. Put n is equal to 3 here, so a4. So what is a4 in that case? a2 over 1 plus 3 times, and what is it? a2 into a3. So let's check what is it. So a2 is half over 1 plus 3 times half into half is 1 by 4. So how much is it? So in denominator is 7 and this is 2 by 7. So okay, we got something different a4. Now move for maybe few more terms. N is equal to 4 a5. Now what is a5? a5 is of course a3 over 1 plus 4 into a3 into a4. a3 is nothing but half. So a3 is half divided by 1 plus 4 into half into a4. Now how much is a4? a4 is 2 by 7, okay. 2 by 7, this is gone. So we have 7, 11, so it's 7 by 22, so I think that's our a4. Now one more maybe, and because see we need to find the pattern I got was something interesting, a6, so a6 is a4 over 1 plus 5 into a4 into a5. a4 is nothing but I think 2 by 7, yeah, 2 by 7 over 1 plus 5 into 2 by 7 into a5, 7 by 22, 7, 7 gone, 11, 16. So it is 16, okay, true. So 2, so okay, 11 by 56. Like that. Okay, now see, what do we need? This actually, I will say, holds the key bachon. What? 1 by A9, 199 into 1 by A200. So what does that direct us or hint us? It hints us that why not to go for values 1 by A0 into A1. So that's 1. 1 by A1 into A2. So that's 2. 1 by A2 into A3. That's 4. 1 by A3 into A4. So it's 2 and that's 7, yeah, 7 by 2. One more maybe, 1 by A4, A5. Okay, so it's 2 by 7, yeah, 7 by 2 and then 22 by 7, it's 11. And maybe one more, because since we have found it, why to waste it? 1 by A5, A6. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 56 by 11. So 11, 2 and then this is 16. Now look at the pattern. I think you people got the idea, isn't that? Look at the pattern. So the numbers are 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16. Which series sequence are we heading towards? We are heading towards a sequence where the difference of consecutive terms form a simple AP. And when this happens, what are we going to do? We have to find its sum term. Which term is it? We have to find its A1. We have to go till A200. We have to find its 200th term. So what do? We simply write the series of the sequence and try to find the general term, maybe Tn, and then we rewrite it by shifting it one by one term towards right and then subtracting it, bachcho. Okay, so what do you get? Here, of course, 0 in LHS, and in RHS you get the simple AP, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on till you have your last term, extra term. This is an extra term in RHS. So what you have, so from here take Tn to the LHS, so Tn is 1 plus, how many terms we have? From here till here we have n terms, so remove 1, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 and we have till whatever term. These are bachcho left with n minus 1 term, which is nothing but the sum of n minus 1 natural number, consecutive natural number, so n minus 1 into n by 2. So T 200 is 1 plus 200 into 199 divided by 2. So it's 100 into 199 plus 1. That's our thing. So what we have to find? We have to find 2 into 10 raised to the power 4. Okay. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 100 into 199 minus 1. Okay. So we take from here maybe 100 common. 100 is common, so 200 into 1 minus 1. So that's our 99. That should be the answer. Answer I have already given. Yeah, 99 is the answer. So that's what I found interesting here, the pattern. Okay, to get this pattern, I have to spend a lot of energy and time and have to be quite patient. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. So we'll be having one more such question in our next video.